Welcome to the farm. I'm Barry, aka Bartender Barry, and I'm here at Blue Stem Botanicals. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite and easiest mocktails to make: cider, spice, and everything nice. This is a non-alcoholic twist on a champagne cocktail. So instead of using champagne or sparkling wine, we're going to be using sparkling apple cider, and we have some really cool ingredients made right here on the farm. So the first thing that you definitely need a champagne flute. You can also use a coupe glass if you choose to do so. So the first thing that you'll want to do, you'll want to get some fresh lemon juice, and we're going to take 1/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, and we're going to pour it directly into our champagne flute. Next up, we're going to take 1/4 ounce of Blue Stem Botanicals Roasted Chicory Syrup. What I really love about this syrup is that it's really complimentary with coffee, but you shouldn't let that steer you away from this cocktail. It has a ton of really delicious burnt sugar notes that I think really are going to complement the apple cider. So again, we're just going to do 1/4 ounce of the syrup. Next up, we're going to do 3 to 5 drops of the black walnut extract. And what I really love about this is that it not only tastes delicious, but it's good for you as well. It has a bunch of antibacterial properties to keep you well. Next up, we're going to just fill our champagne flute with the sparkling apple cider. And you want to make sure to pour slowly because it can overflow. So again, this is a really delicious take on the champagne cocktail. And I really love how all the ingredients really complement and pair really well with the apple cider. All right, so I'm gonna let this chill out for a while. But in the meantime, what you're gonna garnish your drink with is Blue Stem Botanicals Peppermint Hydrosol. I'm gonna give it just a really quick shake and just do 2 to 3 sprays right on top. There you have it. Really quick, easy, and delicious mocktail, cider, spice, and everything nice. Cheers.